What we're aiming at is creating a dementia-friendly generation. Karen, Lawrence, the head, and I thought it'd be really good to start a project like this. We came and met with Richard, and we've been coming here every week since for 4 years. And since then, I've established another 3 projects in Brecon.
It seemed to me that it was a really important thing to start in school. It wasn't being done anywhere else that I knew of at the time, and I just felt that it was something important for our children to start learning about.
We do many activities. We've done obviously pumpkin carving, Halloween decorations, Christmas decorations. We play board games.
Sometimes we borrow memory boxes from the local museum, so we talk about the things that remind residents of the past.
Also, they come over to us, so they come to church services, they come to coffee mornings, etc.
What matters is that the children and the residents mix together.
The benefits from the partnership are huge. They are more than we thought they would be at the beginning.
The residents enjoy it, the school children enjoy it. For some of our residents, it's the highlight of their week.
I think it's marvellous. It makes me feel at least there is help outside, and to be lonely, to get out and see and meet other people.
It makes everybody happy and they enjoy us coming. It's something to look forward to, and it helps. It's good to know that it's helping like other people, and it's a good skill to have for like later life.
My eldest son is he does actually come over this year, and he really enjoys it. So, and he's made a strong connection to some of the residents here.
I remember when we first started coming in, staff saying to us, some residents who don't talk the rest of the week will chat to each other when you've left.
The barriers to the work initially were that there was a lack of understanding about what dementia actually was. So that's why we start all of our work by the children having dementia awareness sessions when they're in year 5.
First time going over there was quite scary, but I've been over there a few times now, and I've learned a lot about dementia, and I feel comfortable going over, and when I go over it makes a highlight of my week really. Smile I see people get when we get there is amazing.
If the scheme was offered in other residential homes, I would definitely say to go ahead with it. It is a brilliant experience, both as someone who works in the home, but also as a mother of children at the school.
It is something that will enhance your school community immeasurably, and I would say 100% go for it.
I just think other schools and care homes should try it, and other groups of people, because there's nothing to be lost at all and an awful lot to be gained.